Hey guys, hello. Yeah, great. We are back with a new video today, guys. I'm so excited to start this series for you guys. Now we are going to be showing you, teaching you how to create a professional website step by step. Okay, we are so excited. It's a very long journey. We are putting things together to ensure we deliver a quality training service for you guys. Guess what? You don't have to pay anything to learn from this channel. It's 100% free, giving you premium content. You get what I said? Premium content. Hurry, go and tell your friends. Tell them to come to this channel to come and learn a new skill. Okay? This is the days of technology. You don't have to be left behind. The beautiful thing is that it will not take your previous job away from you. Rather, it's going to increase more knowledge for you to even do much better in a job that you are doing currently. When you have the technology skill added to the work you are doing previously, you're going to do great. Yes, you hear what I said. You're going to do so much work in it. Okay? Now, as it guys, please, if today is your first time on this channel, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and click the notification bell right there so you don't miss out on our video. Okay, alright, let's get to the business, guys. Today I'm going to tell you how to create a professional website or a professional web application on this channel. This video is a series of different kind of training that we are going to take you through how to create all these websites. A professional one. You can create a website for corporate organization, create a website for a business, create a website for individual, celebrity, create a website for blogging, create a website for bank application, crypto, just name it. Okay, all these we are going to show you how to do. All right, but understand that developing a web application has never been easy. But with this video tutorial that we are going to be showing you how to do this thing, is going to be easier. Yes, after you watch this training, trust me, in an hour or two, we should be able to come up with a professional website for an organization that they can pay you up to $300, $400, or $500, or the case may be. Okay, yes. What do you need to create the website? I'm going to tell you. Where do you get it? I'm going to tell you. How do you go about it? I'm going to be showing you. Okay, how do I make it work? I'm going to show you how to do all these things step by step. You don't have to worry. So that's why you're watching this video today. Congratulations, guys, for watching this video. And after watching this video, your life will never remain the same. Yes, you're going to be so excited. You're going to be so happy that you got this video. All right, great. So in creating a web application or a website, there are some tools that we need. And those tools, we are going to tell you how they work and how they are different and how to use them. All right. Guess what? Even if you don't know how to write any pieces of code, you can do this. Why do I say so? One, if you can press a mobile phone, if you can operate a mobile phone, if you can make a phone call, if you can write a text message and send to somebody with your mobile phone, if you can even make a phone call at all, you'll be able to do this. Number two, we have been in the industry over 7 years plus. So we understand how all these things works. All right. So that's why we came to come and show you, teach you how to operate or how to use all these tools to create a professional website. with ease. You don't need to struggle for it. All right, you just copy and paste, you are there. Your right little thing, your result is showing right away. All right, and the best way to learn, guys, listen, guys, the best way to learn is to learn from the industry people, those that are doing it as a business, not those that are talking about it. No, those that are doing it as a business. This is the business I do over 7 years plus right now. Okay, so I know the in and out of everything. So that's why I've come up with this series, guys, to show you how you can use these tools to create a professional website. Okay, it's very simple, it's easy to use, easy to operate. All right, you don't need to worry the technicality aspect of it, forget about it. As far as you can operate a mobile phone, you should be able to use all these tools to create a professional website. All right, let's go, guys. One of the tools you're going to be using is PHP. PHP is used for a dynamic purpose in the web application. We want to create a dynamic response, a dynamic activities, in a web page, in a web application, we require PHP, and there's other tools also that can also do some dynamic activities in the web application, which also we are going to also make mention of in the course of this series. Okay, the next is the HTML. We are also be using HTML. HTML is also one of the tools we are going to be using in our course of this series. We also have CSS. CSS is also a tool we are going to be using. In some we see some website looking beautiful, looking attractive. CSS is the work that is the work of CSS to beautify, give some structure, some layout of your website, including your images, your graphics also. Okay. The next is JavaScript. JavaScript also part of the scripting language for making some dynamic in web application. Right. So as we move forward, you're going to see how all this is actually working and why we actually need all these tools. Okay. So we're also going to need SQL. All right. But you don't have to worry, guys. You are not going to be writing so bulky code for all these things. Sometimes when I started programming, you look at, okay, am I going to do this thing? No, but before you know it, I fell in love with it. Right now, there's something I would do that will make me leave programming. Nothing. Okay, it's so simple. So simple. Get it so simple. All right, and it's easy to operate, easy to work with. Yeah, tell you the fact. Okay, it make you think broadly. You understand? There are so many things going to add to your life, guys. Forget about the making of the money, because IT is the deal right now. If you're an IT, for example, if you are watching the video right now from Africa, are you planning to travel to abroad, to Europe or America, whatever the case may be, guys, IT is the key. Get the skill right now from this channel. Get it. Stay glued to this channel, because you're going to be amazed at what you're going to see. All right. We are going to be delivering premium content to you guys. Premium content, free of charge, 100% free. You gotta pay to learn all this kind of a skill. On this channel, you will learn it free of charge, showing you how to create both the front end and the back end of your web application 100%. All right. So the next tool is Ajax. Ajax is going to be one of the tools we are going to also be using in the course of our training. We're going to use PHP also. PHP also important because we will need it in this course of this training. We are supposed to use MySQL for connection, communication, and so many other things, queries and all that. We will need it. We are going to need a local server. A local server is going to be needed, and you're also going to need a database. Okay, these are some of the tools, but they are not they are not all, but some of the tools that we are going to be using regularly in our series. So these are some of the tools we are going to be using. So our keynote, one of our keynote today is PHP. From the tools we discussed previously, now we're going to start explaining to you step by step what they stand for and what are the difference of each of these tools, so that you're able to understand what this is, what this is, what this is, what this is. So see, PHP is an open source server-side programming language that can be used to create a website, a application, customer relationship, that management system, and more. It is widely used general purpose language that can be embedded into PHP. Yeah. If you want to create a web application that is dynamic in nature, you need to use PHP or JavaScript or Python or Ruby or C#. There are many other programming language that you can use. But in our series, in this training, this program, we are going to be using PHP for this training. All right. So I'm not saying PHP the only tool or only programming language that can be used for a dynamic application. No, I'm saying on this training series that we are going to be working with, starting right now, we are going to be using PHP. Okay, PHP is easy to use. Number one, that's why we choose PHP, because we want you to be able to create a professional web application for a client and you make good money from it. We don't want you to go and do something that's so tedious and at the end of the day you can't come up with the results. No, PHP is easy to use and it's an open source. So that's why we choose PHP for this program. Okay, so you get a skill, get a basic skill, they can move forward. All right, please, if you have any question, drop your comment below. Trust me, I will respond to each and every comment you're going to drop. If you have any question to ask, I'll answer you. Okay, and if you know this is your first time coming to our channel, please subscribe so you don't miss out of our video. So the next is HTML. As the word said, HTML, it means hypertext markup language. It is the most basic building block of the web. The most basic building block of the web. Underline that statement. Most basic building block of the web. It defines the meaning and structure of the web content. Other technologies besides HTML are generally used to describe web pages, appearance or presentation, like CSS. We are getting there. We'll also tell you about the CSS. Then, or functionality to behavior, like what? JavaScript. Now, JavaScript and PHP are on the same thing. They do some behavioral activities, some dynamics activities, okay? But on this series, we are going to also be using JavaScript. All right. Now, one thing I wanted to let you know is this: every website you see out there on the internet has a basic building block. Okay? Yes, they has it. HTML is also important in this training. The next it is CSS. As the word goes, CSS means Cascading Style Sheet. It's a style sheet language used for specifying the presentation and styling of a document written in markup language such as HTML or XML. XML means extended markup language. Okay, then CSS is a cornerstone technology. Do you hear the word? Cornerstone technology of the World Wide Web. So it's very important. So I will choose it here. So I'm going to also showing you how it works. But one thing I want you to know is this: we are not going to focusing on the story. We are not going to focusing on the writing. We are focused on the practical. Okay, we might not have enough time to be explaining so many things behind the scenes, scene and all that. Or no, we might not have enough time for that. But the key or our focus is that you learn how to use all these tools to create a professional website, a professional web application, and earn good money for yourself. Right? The purpose is to help you learn a new skill, to earn good money, not to bore you with stories. I hope you get that, guys. Is to show you how to use these tools to create a professional website, earn good money for yourself. Okay? If you have any question, any doubt, please drop the comment. If you want to know more beyond what we discussed, we drop the comment. We will respond to you individually. That will be in a better way because we don't have much time to explain. I mean, going from history to history, all this. No, we just want to go to the right place, get the right thing done, hit the nail on the head, and move forward. All right, all right. Thank you, guys. So the next is the JavaScript right now. So as we said, JavaScript is a scripting language that enable you to create dynamic updating content, control multimedia, animate images, and pretty much everything else. JavaScript is powerful, guys. It's powerful. And we're going to need it on this journey. So that's how it was picked. Then, now, take a good look at it. It said as of 2023, 98.7% of websites use JavaScript on the client side for web page behavior, often incorporating third-party library. So that tells you that every website out there also has JavaScript. Just as the previous screen shows us that CSS is a basic building block. So is the cornerstone of every web page, while HTML is a basic building block, right? HTML is basic building block. Then the CSS is the cornerstone. So JavaScript now has 98.7% in every web application that is on the internet these days. So it's very important. You are using JavaScript, and JavaScript can also help us to create a dynamic behavior in a web application. You're able to interact with the website, get great feedback, get responses, and all that. Okay, great. So the next is Ajax. So Ajax refers to as a group of technologies that are used to develop web application. For example, when you are interacting with a web application in some scenario, a website send you interact with a website to make a query or make a request, and it feed you back with a response. And this process, you notice the website the page is not reloading, but you are getting response. In some cases, Ajax is doing a background work. So when the user interact with the web page, it send requests to the server. So the server send back responses, and you notice the web page is not reloading. Ajax is responsible in some cases. So I'm going to show you how to use Ajax to achieve such functionalities in a web application. Yes, many projects I've done using Ajax, page is not reloading, but things is working, you are getting responsive and all that. So we're going to show you how to use all those tools to create such functionality in a web application. Okay, see, by combining these technologies, web pages appear more responsive. Great, since small pockets of data are exchanged with the server and web pages are not reloaded. You get it? Web pages are not reloaded each time that a user makes an input change. Each time a user make interaction with the web page is not reloaded. It's not reloaded. So, but the user is getting a response. So such activities can be handled using AJAX request. So the next is PHPMyAdmin. PHPMyAdmin is another tool that we are going to be using in this series. So it is a free software tool written in PHP that is intended to handle the administration of a MySQL or MariaDB. Okay, MySQL or MariaDB database server. You can use PHPMyAdmin to perform most administration tasks, including creating a database, running query, and adding user accounts. Perfect. Guys, in every website you visit these days that is dynamic has a database. Please take note, this video is to teach you how to use all these tools to create a web application. We're not going to promote anything violent or promoting illegal activities, or I'm not promoting any company or any businesses in this video, but I'm just going to make some mention of some company just for reference purposes so that you understand what you're talking about. All right. For example, when you sign up on the web on Facebook, it asks your name, date of birth, phone number or email, and the case may be. You supply those information, right? You click on sign up button, okay? Then it processes it and take you to the next page, rather ask you more questions, and the case may be, okay? Those information you inputted, okay, is being stored in a location called database, and that database is being managed by an administration task or by an administrator tool. One of those tools that we are going to be using is PHPMyAdmin. So we are going to show you how to use this PHPMyAdmin to create a database, manage a database, query a database, and add user information to a database. If you create an application that is dynamic in nature, it must have a database. Without a database, that is to show the application is not dynamic. Probably the application is just a static application. Every application that is dynamic in nature require to have a database. So we are going to be showing you how to create a dynamic database from step by step. Okay, it's very important. Hey guys, listen. You can create application for an organization that is running business to manage a business. Okay, and it will just take you within 2 days. You create a good application for them that has a database. For example, you can create a staff management record system. It's a database application to record and manage your staff information, and they can pay you good money for it. Very simple. Yeah, you can earn to like $300 to $500 creating such application. Yes, I'm just giving you the list. It can be more than that. Okay, so we're going to show you how to use all these tools to create a professional application. All right, yeah. So let's move to the next step. So the next is MySQLi. MySQLi extension is a relational database driver used in the PHP script scripting language to provide an interface with MySQL database. Was trying to explain to us. I know some people might not understand this concept much, but don't worry, guys. I'm doing this to just kind of take you through all the tools that we are going to be using on this series, so you understand where we are coming from and where we are going to. Okay, but the more important thing is how you have to use it. Don't worry about this content about this discussion too much for now, but it's good for you to have an idea about it. All right. Okay, what we're trying to explain here is that the database we are going to be using, we need something to communicate to the database. Okay, once we connect to the database, it stands an interface. Okay, that stands an interface so that you communicate to, and that person, let me say, that person will not take the function back to the other location, get request and send it back. So the MySQLite is going to serve as interface between your application and the database. Okay, previously it was MySQL, so it will now be improved, okay, to what MySQLite. In the course of this project, we are going to see the differences. Okay, all right, it's not difficult, it's very simple, like I always say. Reason why I tell you it's simple because I'm a professional in it, and the best place to learn is to learn from those in the industry, those that are doing this thing as a business, not those that talk about it. Very important. Okay, I'm going to show you the project that you can do. Okay, after this session, I'm going to show you the project that you can develop. You see there some of the project that we have done already for clients. I'm going to show you how you can do something like that within 2 or 3 hours. You're done with the project, you deliver it. Very simple. All right, the next is the local server. In this series, we are going to be using local server. Local server will help us to test our project as we are working, creating those websites, creating web applications. We are going to be using server to test them, to know how it's functioning, how it's running. Okay, so a local server is a computer that serves a client within the local network or LAN, which is NAN. LAN simply means local area network. That means that in most cases, it will not be connected to the internet. Yes, it will not be connected to the internet. It can only be working on a local machine, on a PC. If it is connected to the internet, it will typically be protected with a password, so not everybody can access its services. Yeah. So when you are creating a website, we need to test it and see how it look like. So in process of testing it, we need something to test it. So what we need to test it is what they call a local server. So that local server we are going to install in our system, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. It's not difficult. You just click. That's all. It's done. You are not going to write any code. Nothing. Okay. I'm going to show you all the secrets. How you see these big guys doing these things on the internet. You think it's magic, guys. It's not magic. Okay. All you need to do is to just stay focused, watch the video, practice it. That's it. And practicing will not take you more than 1 hour. It will not. The highest you can see is 1 hour. Before you know it, you are out there. So the next is the database. Great. So the database is an organized collection of structured information or data typically stored electronically in a computer system. A database is usually controlled by Database Management System (DBMS). Great. Like previously said or previously mentioned, when you sign up on a Facebook account, your information will be collected and to be stored into a database. Okay, the reason why I store a database is because when you want to log in, they need to check with information that you supply earlier when you were signing up to see if it's the same before they now like to log in. Okay, so the place they store your information to into is what they call a database. So every application that is dynamic require to have a database. So if there is no database, the application is not dynamic. Take note, if there is no database, the application is not dynamic in nature. Okay, a database make your application dynamic in the sense that when you communicate, when you make a request of any information, it should be able to fetch it from the database and show it to you. Okay, all right. Please don't forget, if you have any question or you are not understanding what I'm trying to explain, please drop the comments. I'll further explain more to you, because this is the only time we are going to talk about something like this. In the next session, we are going to start the practical, how to use all these tools live and direct, because we are going to be hitting the nail on the head, not just story. No, we are not here to bore you with story. We're not here to waste your time, but we are here to show you how to use all these tools to make ends meet, to make a living for yourself, how to acquire a new skill. Even if you are not a tech person, don't worry. You don't have to be a tech person previously to take this course. You don't need to have a technical skill to take this course. No, if you can operate your mobile phone, if you can make a phone call, you should be able to create a website and earn good money from it. Okay, that's it, guys. So that's it, guys. On the next session, we are going to start creating and doing the practical live and direct. But before then, there are some other things I need to also mention out here, guys, so you also understand how to start and how do I start. Okay, it's very important. We will start the actual development of the website or web application, as the case may be, depending what you are developing. If someone or engage you want to create a staff record system, such system might not be classified as a website. It should be classified as a web application. Okay, because it is not going to be public for everyone to be viewing. It's going to be only accessed by the management or the organization. Okay, it will be accessed only by the organization. Such can be classified as what web application, as an application. Okay, so a website can be classified as a general web application whereby everybody can see it, everybody can access it anywhere they are. Like for example, a company website, understand, Facebook can also be a website. Okay, but the environment that you cannot access as individual, or everybody out there in the world cannot access, can refer to what an application. You get it? And every website has what they call the front end and the back end. The beautiful thing is that on this training, we are going to teach you how to create the front end and also the back end. There are some cases where some people do only front end, some people do only back end. But this series, we are going to show you how to do the front and the back. So that make you a master in the field. Yes, you heard me right. That makes you a master in the field. You can create the front and you can create the back. The back end is usually for the administrative activities, controlling what is happening in the front end. It's very powerful. Okay, we are going to show you how to do all this in simple, step by step. Okay, so first and foremost, when you want to create a web application or a website, the first thing you need to do is gathering information or content for your development. You have to gather information that you need. What do I need? Just as the previous session you saw earlier, we'll talk about the tools. Okay, right. We'll talk about the tools. So you need to gather information you need. Sometimes You might not need all the tools to create a particular website. So depends the requirement. You're able to know the tools that you need. In this course of this training, you are going to understand how to choose the tools that you need for a different kind of application. Just as I mentioned earlier, if the application involves dynamic activities, that means you will need a PHP, JavaScript, and all that. But if it does not involve dynamic activities, okay, so it does not involve dynamic, okay, that means probably I might not need database, I might not need PHP, or as the case may be. Okay, yes. So we should know how to gather information. What kind of information do you need to start? All right. The next is setting up the environment. After you have gathered your information, you already understand what kind of application you are going to develop. So next is to set up the environment. How do you set up the environment? For instance, boot up your computer. But remember, on this training, you need to have a computer if you want to make progress on this course. You need to have a computer, but you did not need a computer to learn this program, but you need a computer to work. Okay, you can go through the video without computer, use your mobile phone to watch the video, get your notes down and all that. Hey guys, let me tell you something. When I started programming, I have no PC, I have no computer. Yes, that was true. I have no computer. I use my paper to write everything down step by step, even draw interface that I was seeing on the screen as they were teaching us. I draw it down on my notes, labeled everything. I have no PC. That's why I started. But today it's a different story. Okay, don't give an excuse for yourself. Okay, don't give an excuse for yourself. This opportunity for you to elevate and get new skills for yourself. All right, so that's it. So you need to set up the environment, get your computer, do the necessary installation you need to do. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do all the installation and get started. All right, so that's it. The next is creating the project folder. After you set up the environment, you already understand the tools that you require, that you need. The next is to set up the project environment. You're going to create a folder in your PC in a particular location. They will also go to show you how to organize your folder. All right. So the next is to start the coding. Hey, coding? Yeah, coding. But don't worry, it's not coding that you think, you understand? It's just easy stuff. All right. Just like ABC. Coding is ABC actually. All right. In before these days, coding is difficult, but this time coding is not difficult anymore. Easy is ABCD. All right, we're going to show you everything. So this is to start the coding. All right, you just copy and paste, guys. Trust me. Then the next is testing the project with local server. Just we discussed previously, we need to have a local server. As you are designing your website, you need to be testing to see how it look like, how the layer is looking, how the appearance of the website, into visualize and see how it's looking. Okay. The next is deploying the project to the live server. Yeah. So after you have finished designing it and you have tested it in your local server, the next is to deploy it to your live server. The live server is putting it on the internet so that everybody, people generally all over the world can access it, can see your hard work, can see what you have done. All right. So your client will be glad, will be happy that yes, this is my job, That's it. So these are what we are group are looking into, and this is what we need to get started in creating a web application or a website. Yes, guys, please don't forget, if today your first time to our channel, subscribe to our channel. Please share it with your friends, share it on your TikTok, share it on your Facebook, your Instagram, whatever the platform you are using, your WhatsApp, share it on your LinkedIn, share it to people. Let them come and get a newsletter link. Okay, remember, we are providing this service 100% free of charge. And to sign up on this channel is free. You're not paying money. Just click it there, subscribe. That's it. Okay, then click the notification bell. That's it. Then click on the share button and share with your friends. Okay, so that they can also have opportunity to learn from it. All right, thank you guys. I think in the next video I'm going to be showing you the different kind of website that you can build 100% from this training that we will be teaching you. 100% you can build it within 2 to 3 hours. You are done with the web application and you earn good money from it. Yes. So guys, thank you. Please, as we said earlier before, subscribe to this channel, share it, like it, and we look forward to seeing you in our next session. Thank you. Then let me show you the web application that we are going to be building. Okay guys, you can see this beautiful interface right here. These are different kind of templates that we can use to create a web application. And in this series, we are going to show you how to use all these templates to create any kind of web application that you want to create. These are professional templates are here. I want to show you how to use a template. And the reason why I'm going to show you is that in some cases, a client can come and meet you and tell you, say, hey John, I have a template and I want to use for my website. So if you don't know how to use a template, it's a big problem. You can't do that job. And it's a big blow for your side. Okay? And we don't want to leave any stone unturned. We are going to show you every secret in getting all this thing done. All right? You see some beautiful website out there, you see some things working, you think it's magic. It's not magic, guys. It's not magic. So that we are going to show you the secret, how all these guys are doing it. Okay, I will show you so you don't have to worry. So that's why you are watching this video. I want you to stick to this channel. This is the only channel that will tell you the secret, or show the secret. All right, that's our vision. To show the secret and so that you can be able to do it 100%. All right, you see this beautiful layout. We'll show you how to get this template and use it for your project. Some of the templates are free, some are not free. Okay, but you don't have to worry. All right, you don't have to worry about these things. And sometimes you don't even need it, but it's a client that come and give it to you. So you can know how you get it and give it to you. All right, but remember, I'm just showing you for the educational purposes and for the course of this video. And I'm not promoting any company, I'm not promoting any illegal activities, I'm not promoting any violent place. I'm just showing you just because of this video so that you understand what I'm trying to say, guys. All right. The next I'm going to show you is this layout. You can see this is a dashboard application. So we're also going to show you how to create a dashboard application. For example, like what I said earlier before, when you sign up for the Facebook, you input your information, your data, your details in the Facebook, it will stay in a particular place. And Facebook have a section in that place where they can see everybody that sign up. They can see their details. They can even decide to block your account. They cannot access it anymore. So all these things, we're going to show you how to create it. All right. They have what they call dashboard admin. So this is something like dashboard admin. You'll be able to see the number of people that sign up, the active user, people that are online, people that have left the site. You'll be able to see everything. You know, the traffic, everything. You're able to see it. The transaction report, everything. You're able to see it. You know, the current transaction, all those kind of activities. So I'm going to show you how to create all this kind of a thing. So we'll show you how to create this kind of application. Right, this is a dashboard, professional dashboard. I will show you how to do something like this. So the next is the bank website. So this is the bank website. I'm going to show you how to create something like this. Very professional. You can see right here, it has a Google translation. You can add how to add Google translation to your website. You know all those things. You can see the login. You click on the login. You can log in. See the login. You can log in. Okay. So you're also showing how to create something like this. You can click on sign up. Or you can just open an account so you can see it. open account, or I just like the way Facebook look like, same thing. So you have to create this kind of a website, and create this kind of website is something good, guys. Can I get money from it? Yeah, you can say this is a bank website. You go show how to create something like this. Hey guys, listen, it might be a bank website, but it can be any kind of website. But the purpose is to show you how to create a dynamic web application. This bank sample website is a dynamic web application. It's a bank sample website, okay? It's not actually a real bank, okay, but it's a bank sample website. But the purpose is to show you how dynamic web application works. Okay, that's the purpose. Do you get it? Please don't forget, if you have any confusion, or you have any question, or you want to know about something else, or regarding what we are discussing, or regarding our series on how to learn to create a professional website and a web application, please drop your comment below. We'll be happy and be glad to respond to your question. Okay. Yeah, so you can see the website is looking more professional. You click on businesses, the page is opening, and see every content here, the page is opening. So I click on the next is personal banking. You can see different information right here. See the way this thing is doing. You can see it. I click on contact us. See it. You see, you look at this contact us. When you fill this contact us now, you click on send message. Automatically it will be sent to the organization, and the organization will see it in their system, in their backend, what they call backend. They will see it there. So we are going to show you how to create the backend also. Now this website is what we refer to as what the front end, that people can see. So people can see this page, interact with it right here. So whatever you do here, for example, when you open an account, or you submit support ticket right here, maybe you want to contact the organization, you fill your information right here and click on send the message button. Then the information will be sent to the back end. So the management will see it. Okay, Mr. John send us a message. So what did he say? They'll see every information right there. So all these activities we are going to show you how to do. Okay, yes, that we are going to show you how to do. All right. The next lesson show you is e-commerce website. Also going to be teaching you how to create a professional e-commerce website. Hey guys, e-commerce website is a boom. Yes, everybody want to sell products. Everyone want to sell products. Okay, so we will also learn to create a professional e-commerce website, something like this. Yes, so I'm going to show you how to create a web application like this. You can see it. So you can see everything right here. We're showing you how to create something like this from start to end. Hey guy, you don't have to worry. These things are done with ease. Okay, it's not hard, it's not difficult, it's ease. Okay, it's ease. You can do this thing within 1 or 2 days, 1 week. It is up and running. Okay, so that is why you are watching this video today. Don't worry yourself, I'm going to be showing you step by step. Before you know it, you become a professional. Okay, we want to ensure that this year you have a productive skill. This year you start to earn extra income. Alright, you don't have to quit your previous job. Okay, but if you choose to try, that means you are going to take it to the sky. Yeah, sure. And we are going to take this skill to the sky. But for me, I don't think you need to quit the previous job. Just get this skill and add it to it. And getting an IT skill will improve you in your previous job. you begin to do something great, something magic, what a thing that you can do, they see you doing it because you are added a skill to your portfolio. All right, artist skill is very important. For me, I think it's important for everybody to have a knowledge of it. Okay, but for this video, I'm going to show you how to create this kind of application so you can earn good money from it. Right? Yeah, and you can work anywhere. You don't have to be in a particular place before you can work. No, you can work anywhere. You can work remotely. You can work hybrid work. Yeah, sure. Can work from any location. That is more important. That is more benefit of having an IT skill. Okay, so we are going to show you how to create something like this. So let's check and see. You should see the way looking. We'll create something like this. Trust me, you will do this thing and you'll be amazed at are you the one creating this? Yes, because when I started, it was like that. I never thought I would be able to do anything. Okay, trust me, within one week, boy, after I created something amazing. You get it? So I create something amazing. So you can see the way looking. This normal e-commerce website. You understand? You see the product price. You can increase the quantity that you need and add to cart. Or I can filter it. So you can see the description of the product. Everything right here, you are going to be doing it. Okay, sure. So the next one I'd like to show you is if you, for example, you want to create a website for a company or for other kind of businesses. So if you also know how to create a website for a company. So for example, this is a cleaning company. This is a cleaning company. Create this kind of website for any kind of company. It might be a company that into farming, any kind of farming, or a company into production, they produce goods or produce items. It might be a company that into staffing, and they recruit workers for different kind of organization. It might be a company that into transportation. Just name it, guys. Name it. We'll be able to create a website for them. It's simple as you can imagine it. Very, 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 very simple. It's not a difficult task. Okay. So in this course of this training, I'm going to show you how to do all of this. Okay, imagine like this is a cleaning company and this website was designed for them. Now many customers can engage with this company online. They can be able to communicate with this company, discuss with this company, share information with this company. Okay, this website is also a dynamic website because when you contact the company, information whatever you fill in this website will go to the back end of this or to the company. So it can also be what static. So in the sense that if it's static, meaning the website does not have a backend and does not have a database. Okay, yes, it can also be that way. Depends the nature of the business that the company is doing that determine the kind of functionality the website will have. Okay, all right. So we're going to show you how to create this kind of website for a company also. All right, like I said earlier before, it don't really matter whose company it is, but the idea is you know how to use all these tools to create a website. So when you have all these tools, you'll be able to use it, create any kind of website you want to do, and deliver it to your clients. And your client will be happy and he will love the job. Okay. Like this, if you check this website, it's good, and I believe any client you divide this kind of job for, he or she will love it. Okay, you can see you have some questions, some questionnaire, no? As questionnaire offer, you see the way it is slicing up. All this you don't need to worry yourself. We will show you how all these things work. Okay, guys, very easy to do. It's not a difficult thing. Getting a new skill is not a difficult thing. And one more thing I would like to tell you guys, you don't have to spend money. It's not everything you spend money on to get these days. No, That's why I'm here to show you, guide you, tell you the secret how these things are done. Okay, you don't have to pay money to get everything. On this channel, we're going to getting this training free of charge. All you need to do is to just subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss out of our training, out of our video. Subscribe, click on the notification bell below, like it and share it. That's all. When you share it, so other people will have access to it also, and our channel will be recognized also, so more video will be coming and you'll be learning more. Okay, if you have any question, drop the comment, I'll answer you. If you have any project you want to do, drop a comment, I'll respond and I will assist. I will deliver it and collect your money. Okay, our purpose is for you to have a productive skill this year, so you can start earning in dollars, start earning in pounds, start earning in euro, just name any currency. All right, so that our focus, that our mission, and that our purpose, that we are here today to go and show you, teach you, guide you how this thing works. Okay, and be able to live the free life you wish to live for yourself. All right, that's it, guys. So you can even create kind of complete website for any company. You know, it's good, it's looking great. All this you'll be able to change the way looking, you'll be able to change all this, you know, update everything. So good. Okay, let's check this. Please click on contact us. Let's see how it look like. See, so you feed this information here, right here, it goes to the to the back end. So they can see right here. You can see it show the Google map and it show the location of the people of the company location. See all these things. So you click on this direction, now it will show you the direction. You can even see they have more review, but at the time this company will have any review, but at the moment they have a website, now they have a review. You see that they are having some engagement online already. And you'll see what is the security code here. I guess you guys have seen some application, you ask to enter your security code to check if you are human or not. So there are different ways it's being done, but I will show you how this is done. The tools are available right there. They are there. Is how to use them. We are going to just showing you, telling you how this thing works and how to use them. Okay, please and please and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, share it with your friends and your loved one, share it on your social media, on your YouTube, on your Telegram, on your Facebook, Instagram, on your WhatsApp. Please share it and let other people get to know more about the channel so they can learn from it. Okay, all right, bro, guys, I'll see you in the next video where we are going to be getting our hands on deck doing the actual development. Right, so let me show you all this so you have a picture of what you're going to be looking at and what you're going to be expecting and what you're going to be working on. Okay, please don't forget you need to have a PC for the actual development to start creating it. But to learn, you don't need a PC. You can learn with your mobile phone. All right, watch the video, drop, just have it, jot down, get some knowledge of what we are discussing and what we are teaching you. But if you want to start creating this web application, want to start creating this website, you need a PC. Okay, but if you have an issue of getting PC, you can drop a comment below. We'll see how we can assist you and get across to you. Okay, we just want you to succeed this year. We want you to start making money. All right, yeah, so that's it, guys. So I love you and I see you in the next video. Thank you very much. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate your subscription. I appreciate your sharing and I appreciate your liking for the video. All right, bye. Ciao.